Away they go. Hold the bubbly. Fast to begin running by the rally special best. Ale Ale is racing in third, rushing up Platinum Garden. Petrus Blanc Tatara and Magnificence is running by the rail. All the bubbly, a special best running down on the inside. Ale Ale is racing third by some 4 lengths. Magnificence running by the rail fourth. Alongside Platinum Garden, Petrus Blanc and Tatara. Passing the half-mile poles, all the bubbly by some 2 lengths now. Special best. Ale Ale getting closer in third, Platinum Garden. Magnificent Petrus Blanc and Tatara. Rounding the far turn, hold the bubbly by some 2 lengths, followed now by the favorite Ale Ale. It's hold the bubbly by only a length and up. Ale Ale racing on the outside. Tatara also rushing up, and Petrus Blanc entering the last 200 meters more to run. Ale Ale is now the leader, and on the outside is Petrus Blanc. Tatara down on the inside, hold the bubbly. Ale Ale by some 2 lengths now. And finally, the favorite, Ale Ale. Petrus Blanc, hold the bubbly, Tatara, Platinum Garden. For your Fenta Facta.
561.